Hi, I'm Victoria. So what is the fuss about Maybelline's Sky High Lash Sensational Mascara? It's gone viral, people can't keep it in stock, and it's said to give you like really lifted, lengthened lashes. So this is it on one eye, and it really has lifted up my lashes, and because I've got hooded eyes, I do rely on a mascara to give me that lift. So I'm going to put it on this one. I wear glasses, so I need a magnifying mirror. So what I like about this is the brush is really fine, and it really does, you can really get into the roots. You know, sometimes when you put mascara on and there's so much product on the brush, it just leaves a right old cloggy mess and your eyelashes stick to your eyelids and things. So this, I think this is really good for really pushing up and lifting and giving good, fine, even lashes. For $9.99, I do think this is really good. This is my normal mascara, Hourglass Unlocked. It's about 3 times the price. It has a much blacker colour payoff, so it does make you look like you're wearing eyeliner. So this is kind of a real treat. But this is absolutely brilliant, I think. Look, it's really kind of curled my lashes. I hate curling my lashes. In fact, I won't go near an eyelash curler because it just gives me the heebie-jeebies, gives me that real kind of bum clench feeling. So I don't need to, I've got this now.
Hi, I'm Mel. I am Get the Gloss's digital writer. I'm filming this today because we're trying out Maybelline's Sky High mascara. It's all over TikTok and Instagram at the moment because people like it because it makes their lashes look really long. I normally prefer like a thickening, volumizing mascara. I've been using Diego de la Palma's My Toy Boy, and that's like really volumizing. But I'll give this one a try for a change. We'll see how we get on. I've got it on my left eye already, so you can see they do look fairly long. If I put this on this other eye, you'll see the normal natural lashes. The brush is fairly like spindly, which isn't my favourite, but it does make them sky high with only a few wiggles. Given that the brush is quite thin, I am really impressed with how long my lashes look now, just with a few coats. So yeah, I'll probably swap this mascara into my routine for now.
Hey, I am Catherine, Commercial Projects Manager here at Get the Gloss. So today I'm trying this Maybelline mascara. You can see I have it on one eye. I am not loyal to any mascara really. I tend to just pick one up from my makeup bag and put it on. I feel like I just always like the new ones. I feel like they give me the longest lashes or the best lashes. So let's see if I stick with this one. I'm quite liking like it's quite light. It doesn't feel like heavy on your eyes at all and really easy to apply. And I haven't made a big mess, which is what I normally do. So let's put it on the other eye and see what it looks like. As you can see, I have very, very blonde lashes and they are quite long and curly. So I don't tend to have to use an eyelash colour beforehand. But yeah, it goes on super, super easy. And now you can see I have eyelashes. But yeah, it literally feels like I am wearing nothing and it is a bargain. So I feel like I would give it a 8 out of 10.
Hi guys, I'm Gemma and I do all things social and graphic design here at Get the Gloss, and I'm really excited today to try out the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. Now, after seeing this go viral on TikTok, I've been dying to get my hands on it, so I'm really excited today to demo it out. So here's one I've done earlier with the mascara, and as you can see, my natural lashes are pretty much non-existent. Like, there's not much to it. I need really good length, so when it comes to new mascara launches, I'm usually a bit like, meh, didn't do much for me. So let's see if this lives up to the hype. So as you can see already, it's giving me really, really good length. And what I really love about this is that it holds its shape and its curl. Usually throughout the day, I find myself kind of propping them up to make sure they stay in place and stay a bit curled. However, this one just keeps hold all day, and it does give me really good length. When it comes to mascaras, I kind of double dip about 3 or 4 times just to get that payoff. But with this, you really don't need much product, and I really love it. For 10 quid, comparison to all the higher mascaras, like, it's just as good. So definitely worthy one that lives up to the hype. I love.